everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how to import contacts in OmniSend using the file. The first step is go to the Audience tab and click the Add Contacts button. Clicking this button will provide you with several options. During this tutorial, we will focus on file import. So I select file import, choose the file import option and upload the file. Choose the file and your file is uploaded. Once the file has been successfully uploaded, click on the next step button. You will now need to map fields of your uploaded file with the corresponding fields in OmniSend, such as matching the email column with the email field and the name column with the name field, as well as any other required fields. Once you have completed the field mapping, click the next button. After clicking the next button, if you want to add SMS subscribers, select the corresponding box. If you want to add SMS subscriber, select the corresponding box and add the relevant tag. Additionally, if you want to create a separate box, once you have made your selection, click the next step button. Finally, after clicking the next button, you will be show her how many contacts will be imported. Show your 120 contacts imported in my list. Now after show how many contacts will be imported to, will click the import button. After clicking the import button, and your contacts in successfully imports. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.